Hello, money viewers. I'm Sean Chaudhry, an attorney that focuses on estate planning and asset protection. And today I'll be talking to you about why you need a basic will and estate plan. With the COVID-19 epidemic currently surging through this country, there's never been a more important time to have an estate plan. People get too caught up in death. Estate plans aren't about death. They're about putting yourself first, saying who you are, what you believe, what you want. It's about protecting your loved ones and passing your assets on to them. It's about protecting your businesses, your legacy, and your teams. So what happens if you pass away without a will? Well, most likely you'll end up in intestacy proceedings, which means that the law of the state in which you reside will determine what happens to your assets and potentially who takes care of your loved ones. It's a long and expensive process and can be chaotic. So what documents do you need? Everyone needs at least 4 basic documents. First, a basic will, which disposes of your assets. Second, a medical power of attorney, which names an individual to make medical decisions in the event that you cannot make them for yourself. Third, a durable power of attorney, which names an individual to manage your assets and make business decisions for you in the event that you cannot make them yourself. Fourth, a living will or medical directive. This is the decision to whether or not you want to receive life support in the event of a terminal or irreversible condition. It takes the burden of that decision away from your loved ones. Lastly, if you're a parent, you need a 5th document. That document is called a declaration of guardian for a minor child. It names an individual to take care of your children if something happens to you. Also, we recommend that you have some type of life insurance, even if it's a small term policy. We always recommend that you consult with a professional in your specific state because laws vary within the US. So how do you plan with a blended family? Well, there are many tools available to attorneys, but the revocable living trust is the Swiss Army knife of estate planning. It allows our clients that have blended families to have flexibility in their planning and to ensure that assets go to specific people and allows for complex distribution of assets. What do you need to do to get started? It's important to note that making a plan isn't a once and done type of thing. It's something that should be revisited, reviewed, and updated every 3 to 5 years. You should find an estate planning attorney that you like, one that you want to have a long-term relationship with. Interview a few. Once you found the right one, start with a plan, even if you just start with the basic building blocks I just mentioned. A good attorney will create a strategy and prescribe a treatment plan to implement it. Over time, you can add documents, revise documents, or make whatever changes necessary based on the changes in your life or in the law. Take this opportunity to act. I wish you much success and happiness, money viewers.